डोनाल्ड ट्रंप की एक स्टेटमेंट ने किस तरह से ग्लोबल सेंटिमेंट ही चेंज कर दिया. Look at the impact on the Nifty chart today. This is the daily chart which is visible on the screen. So ये इस हेडलाइन का ही इम्पैक्ट हमें आज निफ्टी में देखने को मिला जो 190 पॉइंट्स का गैप अप हुआ मॉर्निंग में. सी बट द क्वेश्चन इज कि अगर न्यूज इतनी पॉजिटिव थी तो मार्केट ने ऊपर जाने के बावजूद भी गिरावट क्यों दिखाई. So first of all, let's take a quick recap of what happened today in the market. Nifty opened strong, gap up of around 190 points. Then it reached as high as 25,434 in intraday. Thirdly, it closed lower at 25,289 after a lot of selling pressure. Volatility surged again, VIX spiked as markets got jittery. So even though the markets opened with a strong optimism, they couldn't sustain the highs and gave back some gains by the end of the day. Now here's the answer to the big question, why did the market fall after the rally? Here are the main reasons explained very simply. Number one, profit booking. After a sharp rebound from recent close after a 3-day fall, traders took profits at the higher levels. This selling pressure is very normal when markets rise sharply. Heavyweight stocks like HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank saw profit booking which capped the gains of Bank Nifty also. So when big stocks go down even slightly, it keeps the whole index from going higher. Number two, FIIs की selling continued रही. Foreign institutional investors were the net sellers on Wednesday and also into early Thursday, which put downward pressure on the market. Even though the DIIs were buying selectively, it wasn't enough to fully offset the FII selling. So more selling from FIIs often means that bulls are cautious or taking money off the table. And number three, India VIX jumped. The India VIX, a measure of expected volatility, rose sharply even after initial falling. So higher VIX is equal to higher fear, which often means that traders are unsure whether markets will continue the rallying or reverse. Number 4, F&O का जो आज expiry day था सेंसेक्स की, तो expiry days जो होते हैं they usually bring extra volatility as traders close or adjust their positions. Expiry days often leads to wider swings and unpredictable moves, which we saw today too. So what's the big picture now? See, global fears eased after Trump's statement, which lifted risk sentiment early in the day. But profit booking plus FII selling plus expiry day का जो pressure था push markets down later. And India VIX rising means higher volatility ahead, not calm markets. Will the rally continue tomorrow? This is the million-dollar question. Now here is a simple view. Number one, there is a possible bullish scenario if global sentiment stays positive and FIIs reduce selling or turn buyers. See, the market could try to retest 25,400 levels and above. And possibly there can be a bearish scenario as well if the volatility remains high and profit booking continues. So the market may revisit the 25,000 support zone, especially because India VIX is elevated and expiry effects linger. Now, what should the retail investors do? Here's what ordinary investors or traders should think about right now. If you do short-term trading, then trade with strict stop losses, avoid large positions on the volatile days, watch key supports like 25,000 on Nifty. If broken, markets may slip even lower. So if you're a long-term investor, use volatility as an opportunity to buy the quality stocks on dips. Don't panic with every headline. Markets often price in the news faster than we think. So focus on fundamentals, especially companies with strong earnings. So yeah, today was volatile. A strong rally was met with profit booking and FII selling. Volatility remains elevated, so don't assume straight uphill trend yet. If Nifty holds above the key support like 25,000, the uptrend may resume. So कल market किस direction में जाएगा? If the global cues remain positive and FII slow down selling, the rally could continue. But अगर volatility high रही, market में जो support level है 25,000 का वो retest हो सकता है before moving up again. So now I am done for the day. Here's the complete analysis of व्हाई डिड दिस हैपन। अब आप बताइए कि कल मार्केट आपको क्या लगता है क्या करेगी, रैली कंटिन्यू होगी या फिर विक्स की वजह से 25,000 का जो लेवल है वो दोबारा टेस्ट होगा। कमेंट सेक्शन में अपना ऑनेस्ट व्यू बताइए, क्योंकि मार्केट का मूड तो मिक्स्ड है पर रिटेल इन्वेस्टर्स का मूड कमेंट सेक्शन में पता चलता है।